Get out of here.
Take your time.
I hope Elliot falls too.
I want to see that coordination. Somebody got no coordination.
I got coordination. I don't want to do that thing.
That's all right. Take your time.
Yeah.
Because I think the best one out here is going to be Monroe. I can see it now.
I just did the best. What are you talking about?
There you go.
I don't know.
All right, here's Monroe. There you go.
Good job, Monroe. Yeah, come on, Hardy. Come on, Hardy. Come on, Hardy.
It should be.
Work that loaf of bread out of you. Work that loaf of
Oh, he messed that trouble.
Running back. You're
You're
running back.
Oh, man. 2 left feet.
When you got that ball, you what?
2 left feet. Come on, 2 left feet.
Oh, get him.
Ready? Take your time. Good. Take your time. In the middle.
All right.
Don't jump high. It's not about height.
You might be in trouble.
Boy, I was getting ready to come get you, man.
Good.
I was getting ready to come get you.
Take your time. Start over. Take your time. Relax.
Coach, fix that tire. He crushed it. There you go. Sir Scott got her.
Come on, man. Oh, man, what?
Take your time.
Oh, come on.
Take your time. Take your time. Good.
Oh, man,
Start
come
off
on,
good.
man.
Come on, take your time. Let's see a perfect one.
Oh, you gonna
Take
kill
your time.
yourself.
Don't go too fast. Take your time. Set the football. Listen up. Go.
Take your time. Make it through the hole. Find the hole. That's the hole.
There you go. He got her at the end.
Oh, man, I'm going to light him up when he gets down here. You might as well go ahead and mess up now before you get down. Oh, man. Mr. No Practice. Mr. No Practice. Get him. Come on, Mr. No Practice.
Get together.
Oh.
You gotta be able to jump.
Again. I'm coming to get
Jump.
you.
There you go. Take your time. Jump. Come on. Let's go. Gotta react quick. Gotta get up. Come on.
Nope. Come on, man. You cheat.
Jump. Let's go. Jump.
Jump.
In there. Boom. Explode. Boom. Get
Jump.
ready.
Jump.
2 feet. 2 feet. Don't cheat me. Go. Take your time. Start over. Take your time. Recover. You got to recover. I want to see you recover. Ain't nobody gonna wait on when you playing football on the ground. You gotta jump back up and recover. Ready?
Same thing if you got to jump over somebody. Come on. You see your nephew, don't you?
Come on, jump. Come on.
Get your feet up.
You cheat me.
Get your feet up.
Get it
That's
up.
right, get it up.
Come on.
Get him up. Get him up. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Good. There you go. Good. There you go. That's it. Recover. Come on. What the heck? Good.
Come on, Derek. Come on, Derek. Come on, Derek. Come on, 2 left feet.
Good. Look at that. Yeah.
Now I want some of that.
Good job. Oh, look at this. Oh.
That might be a running back. be a running back. Somebody might get their job.
Take your time. Take your time.
You got it?
You going to kick your Finish it.
Concentrate on what you're doing.
Finish where you going.
Concentrate on what you're doing. Concentrate.
Take your
Do
time.
that to somebody.
Let's go. Hold up. Give me them ball. That's good. Let's get it to him now. Let's go. 2 feet. 2 feet. 2 feet. Let's go. Both feet. No, both feet. Both feet. Both feet. Let's go. Both feet. Both feet. Both feet. Both feet. You ready? Listen up.